Wakefield has issued a severe thunderstorm warning for Bertie County in northeastern North Carolina, southeastern Northampton County in northeastern North Carolina, Hertford County in northeastern North Carolina, southwestern Gates County in northeastern North Carolina, until 5:45 p.m. At 4:54 p.m., severe thunderstorms were located along a line extending from near Conway to Ruxoble to 10 miles north of Robertsonville, moving east at 40 miles per hour. Hazard, 60 miles per hour wind gusts and penny-size hail. Source, radar indicated. Impact, expects damage to trees and power lines. Severe thunderstorms will be near Allender and Lewiston Woodville around 5 p.m. Ahoskie around 5:05 p.m. Winton around 5:10 p.m. Windsor, Cofield, and Powellsville around 5:15 p.m. Eastern Daylight Time. Harrodsville around 5:25 p.m. Gatesville and Coleraine around 5:30 p.m. Other locations impacted by these severe thunderstorms include Goose Pond, Eagletown, Milwaukee, White's Crossroads, Tunis, Kelford, Earleys, Manola, Newsome Store, and Chewan Beach. Remain alert for a possible tornado. Tornadoes can develop quickly from severe thunderstorms. If you spot a tornado, go at once into the basement or small central room in a sturdy structure. For your protection, move to an interior room on the lowest floor of a building. Please report severe weather by calling 757-899-2415, posting to the National Weather Service Wakefield Facebook page, or using Twitter at NWS Wakefield, VA. A tornado watch remains in effect until 11 p.m. for northeastern North Carolina.